Ladies and gentlemen, we are Thailand! Day one. I've already done a couple of things before. I have, what have I done? I went to get mosquito repellent because Jesus Christ, these people are eating me. They're eating me, look. The mosquitoes are eating my ass. Now I'm with my friend, Amelia. Say hi. Ooh, looks good. Can't wait to nabble into this. Okay guys, just finished the meal. It was lovely. I'll give it a good 7.5 out of 10. I had to take off my shirt because their foods are very like water-basy and like it'll just be splashing on my top. That happened yesterday, so but yeah, we'll see you at the next. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, to be honest. It's getting late, so I need to find out. I need to go on TikTok and see what you can do in Thailand during the daytimes. Peace!
These motherfuckers is crazy. But what's the game card though? You can space in it.
Pretty much. You can go half. Go half first.
What do you look like?
So we'll eat the whole thing or how?
Yeah, that's having it.
Well, I'm going for the whole thing.
Whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. These motherfuckers are crazy.
Okay, tell me when you guys are ready.
Okay.
Hopefully I'm alive tomorrow because Jesus fucking Christ. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
Guys, I think you should just say 3, 2, 1
Okay.
and bon appetit.
This is too much. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. I don't know why I'm not vlogging that much here, but going to Phuket, so we go in Phuket. Let's get it. Touchdown in Phuket. Rolling through the jungles, the streets. Oh shit. Wearing some, I don't know why I'm wearing jeans, not jeans, but cargos, but I ain't trying to get bit today, so fuck it. Camera was foggy and shit, like inside. So it looked like I was in a. Let's get it. Ooh, the lighting's so good.
You say the light is so good?
No, the lighting.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because we could buy the bananas to like I'm not giving, but I'm not giving no. Talking about it can be unfriendly.
I give you the egg.
Yeah, like literally get her.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
And after you finish, Please come back here. I wait for you here. Come to pick up me.
I didn't know you could ride an elephant.
Yeah, I don't think I'm meant to.
Huh?
Go closer. Go closer. Don't be shy. Don't be shy now.
I like her.
We out here, waterfall. We got the waterfall, but yeah. Feel like I'm starting to get bit, so I'm off. Boat day, let's get it. Oi. Even up myself a little bit, but it's no moves. But yeah, thank you. He doesn't understand English so much, but yeah. Long day. On the beach. So I'm taking a vlog. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
So okay, cool. We're at Banana Beach. Yeah, bish bash bosh. Food is looking tantalizing. For Ireland? Yeah, crazy.
This man's wasted. I need my drinks.
Ooh, we got the buckets.
Hands down the best
there.
drinks we've had. At least presentation wise.
Yeah, definitely.
Because the buckets they sold on the strip in Bangkok, man, that shit just looked regular. Oh, right
We
on
got the
time.
food.
Right on time, my G. Oh, wow.
Thank you. No, I should was leaving it over there. Like, who's eating it over there?
Let's go. I can reach it myself.
I have to say, this food is a good 9.5. The drink is drinking.
Don't fly there.
I can't. It's
You
dead.
can, it's dead anyway.
Every day you come to this side of the world. It's not every day. Literally. Enjoying it, man. Enjoying it. That's what you gotta do. Let's get it. So guys, we are on the plane. We're leaving Phuket, and yeah, Phuket has been a lovely blast. Had a beautiful time there. I lost my drone. I found my drone.
Sadness.
It's half dead, it's half alive.
I feel you.
Yeah,
I've been there.
we were on the flight back to Bangkok to get a flight back to London. But yeah, keep it updated, please. Thailand. Sorry, I need to rush this outro because I need to be in the airport right now, and my flight is in like less than, it's like in an hour and a half. The airport is an hour away. Yeah, I know, long. And I need to check in. Shit. Cool. But yeah, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. We are in Thailand and we're about to leave. And yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Peace out. We're leaving Thailand. It's been a blast. Yikes. And yeah, I already done the intro and exit video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next vlog. Let's get it.